Om Namaha Shivaya. Here was the extreme miracle Lord Shiva oyster conch collected from Indian Ocean. So you can see a clear face of Lord Shiva and a reflection of light. You can see the clear face of Lord Shiva, clear face of Lord Shiva here. And back side, it is unbelievable. You can see a clear image of Mount Kailash, and totally you can see the Himalayan in this. Watch extreme vibration and blessings of Lord Shiva. Extreme vibration of Lord Shiva. Om Namah Shivaya. So it's the ultimate miracle conch collected from Indian Ocean. You can see a clear face of Lord Shiva here in the reflection of light. Clear face of Lord Shiva and the reflection of light here. You can see even eyes, nose, mouth, all clear face of Lord Shiva. And backside you can see the clear image of Mount Kailash, all natural, and you can see the total Himalayas image here, natural, unbelievable collection from Indian Ocean. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. By having this oyster conch with you, you can feel extreme vibration and energy of Lord Shiva. It will make you to feel the extreme energy and vibration of Lord Shiva. It's a treasure collected from Indian Ocean. Treasure collected from Indian Ocean. You can see a total full figure of Himalayas here, and in that very clear perfect image of Mount Kailash here, all natural. And backside totally unbelievable. You can see clear image of Lord Shiva here. You can see two eyes, nose, mouth, clear image of Lord Shiva. Totally unbelievable miracle oyster conch from Indian Ocean. Makes you to feel extreme energy and extreme vibration of Lord Shiva. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. You should be blessed by Lord Shiva to collect this sponge. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.